This is the national news station of Canberra Territories, bringing in all the big cover-ups for the Canberra Territories. Our first story comes in a bushfire in eastern Victoria. Currently firefighters are already trying to put it out as soon as possible. Other details are unknown. Borders are considered dangerous as any of the opposing divisions could attack. Borders are to be protected by a militia. Civilians are to stay away from the borders. The danger alarm siren system is currently in development and will be distributed to all major cities throughout the Canberra Territories. That marks off all the important news lines. Now to the regular news.
For southeastern parts of southern Australia, temperatures are being unusually mild as the day goes on, as it will remain being mild. For Western Australia, riots are in effect in cities and towns. Do not cooperate with these riots. That's all to quickly cover up. Today, Alice Springs have been developed with bunker systems in the event of an attack involving Alice Springs being invaded. Plans to protect Brisbane have been assigned for priority in the event of an invasion from the Canberra Territories. Alert sirens have been made in Darwin, Alice Springs, Brisbane and other towns and cities. Testing. Gold Coast is being attacked by the Canberra Territories. Seek shelter now until Kingsland has successfully defended Gold Coast. You are to seek shelter right now.
The Tasmanian government has suspended broadcasting to bring in an attack warning. An invasion in Tasmania has been confirmed. Naval ships from the Southern Parliament are heading into West Tasmania. The Canberra Territories is heading into Tasmania in order to defend it. Please seek a safe place now at any moment. The military will be defending the coastlines as they arrive. West Australia is trying to split from the Southern Parliament. Military action is needed on West Australia in order to prevent the split from
We are united West Australia. Pardon the unexpected interruption. We will soon get along with the Southern Parliament as we should be our own government.
Emergency warning. 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 Emergency warning.
This is a message for the southeast portion of the Southern Parliament. The Canberra Territories are ready to retaliate on Southern Parliament. Seek a safe place to hide and or evacuate the southeast portion. Adelaide is currently being protected as the retaliation occurs.
Two confirmed attacks on Kingsland as of today. Canberra Territories has started to attack Brisbane in order to conquer it. Civilians are currently evacuating as the attack progresses. SPA has started to attack Alice Springs by taking National Highway 87. Civilians in Alice Springs are to go inside bunkers whenever SPA is close to Alice Springs. Canberra Territories has continued the invasion on Queensland and has more armoured cars than they have sent. Airstrikes are prepared on the armoured cars. Anyone still within the Queensland area are to seek shelter right now and stay in the shelter until the area has been reclaimed.
United West Australia is under attack by Kingsland. The SPA's Parliament is advising all undispatched militants are to be taken to Perth with anti-aircraft weapons, gunships, and other weaponry to counter Kingsland's army.
Okay, we now have a decision to overthrow the Prime Minister, as our method to giving peace to all the opposing states. He will be replaced with a new Prime Minister, and the laws will be reverted. Will that be a solution for all of this? The conflict is now over. Now all the broken parts can unite back into Australia as we all know in full-on peace. We also need help on recovering and reconstructing from the damage that occurred over the conflict. You may now return to normal broadcasting.